We've got numbers 9 through 16 here with the new Ride and Hi-Hat Ostinato. I'll run through all the grooves as written in this video. You have plenty of practice tools available from the previous demo of numbers 1 through 8. Remember, you can always work on these by starting with just the ride and hi-hat. That usually helps us and is one practice strategy. Or subtract the ride and get used to the coordination of your other 3 limbs. When you have new challenges for your feet, like we do on this page, this technique can be particularly helpful. Or play the patterns first without the hi-hat with your foot, and then try and add it by starting with that ostinato. Sometimes if our brain and body first recognize and get used to the beat without that new 4th element, that makes it easier to add the hat with your foot in. So let's try these out, and you can figure out which practice way works best for you.